Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Okay, please can you tell us about these artifacts and the significance?
This is the effigy of the late Oba Lamidi Adeyemi Ikubabayeye, the Aláàfin of Oyo Town.
Okay.
He died 2 years ago, I think precisely April 2022. And this was used during the final burial rites for the parade that the Ministry of Culture and Tourism did for him then.
Okay, then the other artifacts behind him.
Yeah, those are when he was alive, these are his throne used to be
Okay.
the lions, then female figures. They will be holding calabashes. Then the calabashes, inside the calabashes, we having Orobo, which is a sign of long life in Yoruba land,
Okay.
and the Obi, bitter kola, and the normal Obi that shows prosperity in Yoruba land.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you tell us about these artifacts?
This is Onigbeti of Igbeti. This one was installed in January this year, 2024. It's the new Onigbeti of Igbeti land in Oyo State.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Then this artifact.
This was the late Olubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Soliu Akamu Adetunji Aje Oguguluso. He reigned between 2016 to 2022.
Okay.
And this was used during his funeral rites too, for the cultural parade that Oyo State Council for Art and Culture did for him.
Okay. Then how about these artifacts?
This is the recent Olubadan of Ibadan land. His Imperial Majesty Oba Akinloye Olakuleyin was installed in the month of July 2024. So this too was used during his own coronation.
Coronation.
Yeah.
He's still alive.
He's still very, very alive, hell and heaven.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Then how about this artifact?
This was Oba Dr. Olalekan Balogun Ali Balogun Okumade, the immediate late Olubadan Ibadan land before Olakuleyin came in.
Okay.
He reigned between 2022, March 2022 to March 2024. He was the 22nd Olubadan of Ibadan land.
Pardon.
This one was used during his own funeral rites too, for the cultural display.
Okay. Thank you.
Work Ogbomoso land.
Okay.
Oba Gandhi Olaoyin was installed last year, December 2023, as the new Shon of Ogbomoso land.
Ogbomoso land. Okay, how about this?
And this is another one. This one was enthroned 2 weeks before, or a week before, Shon of Ogbomoso. This is Aseyin of Iseyin land. Okay. Oba Adeyeri III. I think it's Adeyeri III. Okay. Was installed last year, 2023 too.
Okay.
So he's still very much alive. The three heroes of Nigeria, Azikwe, Nnamdi Azikwe, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, and Alhaji Tafawa Balewa, all of the blessed memory.
Yeah.
The three heroes that started the country called Nigeria.
Then,
and these are figures we have used them for projects. Okay. Yeah, floats, carnival floats, and other exhibitions. So we just place them here just to preserve them. But okay. When we are explaining to people, we title it Oriyeye ni Mogun Taishelopo, which means a lot of innocent people might have been mistakenly taken for crime and might have been killed.
Okay.
Innocently.
Without doing anything.
So So that is it.
Thank you. Then
And this is another living legend, the Ashigango Igangan land of Rao Folani. He is still very much around. He was thrown this year January too.
okay.
After the Onibeti of Ibeti. So
Thank you.
welcome.
Then how about this
The scores
course?
is we used it for one of our dramas in our presentation, the National Festival of Art and Culture. I think we did this one 2 years ago in Lagos, and it was actually used to represent one of the masquerades in the East that used to carry skulls on his head.
Okay. Thank you
Welcome.
very much. Then these are
The
drums.
totem drum. Actually, we're supposed to put the drums on this.
Okay.
We call it totem drums.
Totem drums.
It's having 16 faces, and 16 people can drum it at the same time, and at the same time, a single person can drum it. The bigger one will be on top, while others will be there drumming it with different sounds. And they're giving us what we want. And those are the drums. We just finished using them for one of the programs. That's why we are yet to put it back.
Okay. Then this is just an art symbol.
This is an art symbol showing royalty. You can see the crown, the beads, and the posture there.
Okay. All right.
This mask.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.